His first question is by Rakesh. He's asking, what are the best full stack frameworks or tools for 2021? Rakesh, to some people, my answer might seems like biased one, but in my opinion, there is only one framework which is right now a complete full stack development framework. And that framework is .NET, as many people have expected. That framework is .NET or ASP.NET. The reason I'm saying that .NET or ASP.NET is the only full stack framework because others are basically just languages. If you talk about JavaScript or if you talk about C Sharp, both C Sharp and JavaScript are languages which are used for developing different kind of things. So if you talk about other JavaScript frameworks, like if you talk about Angular, if you talk about React, if you talk about React Native, these are all frameworks for, like React Native is for mobile app development, cross-platform mobile app development. React is for web development, or it's mostly used for front-end development or creating front-end UI. Similarly, Angular or Vue, both of these are front-end UI framework. And if you talk about Node.js, again Node.js is backend UI framework. There is, I don't know of any framework like any sub framework of Node.js, or I don't know any uses of Node.js in creating front-end UI. So in a way, all these JavaScript based framework are basically either front-end frameworks or backend frameworks. None of them are full stack framework. But when we talk about ASP.NET framework, it has both front-end as well as back-end capabilities. You can create web APIs or back-end services using ASP.NET Web API, and you can create front-end UI using ASP.NET MVC or Blazor, which is again based on ASP.NET. So in a way, you can say that ASP.NET is the only true full stack framework which gives you an option to create full stack application from backend to front end using only one language, that is C Sharp, and it uses only one framework, that is .NET or .NET Core, I would say. Or you can also say .NET 5 or .NET 6, because both of these are the latest one. .NET 6 was recently released in preview, so the stable one is .NET 5. So you can say that .NET 5 and ASP.NET is the true full stack framework. Another thing I would like to correct you here is that frameworks and tools are two different things. So you can't ask the question like which is the best full stack framework or tools. You should ask that which is the best frameworks, which is the best full stack frameworks, or and which is the best tools. So because in tools there are many things comes into tools, like you can say Visual Studio IDE is a tool, or Visual Studio Code is a tool, or any CI/CD pipeline creation tool is basically a tool. So tool is basically an application which you can use to do something, be it an IDE like Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, or be it a frame like tool to create CI/CD pipelines or any other kind of doing any other kind of activities. So tool is basically a tool to do any activity, whereas framework is the one which is used to create any kind of application, be it full stack application, be it web application, be it desktop application. So as I said, in my opinion, the only framework right now which is best suited for doing full stack development is ASP.NET with .NET 5 or .NET 6 or .NET Core. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.